BOAT Rockerz 255 Pro Plus. What is this beautiful thing? This is made by BOAT. Yes, this is made by BOAT, and it's a Rockerz wireless Bluetooth headset. Let's unbox the BOAT Rockerz. Alright, now. Alright, rip that off. Not rip that, I just took it off, so. Now we did it! Yeah, guys! Woo! I didn't know this was here. I should be pretty careful with it. I think there's a warranty in here with all the BOAT products, obviously. But here is the cool headphone. Look how beautiful it is. It's not a headphone, but it's still a headset. It's pretty cool. So yeah, let's take it out gently. Let's take this out. Not now, but let me remove this. That was very satisfying, guys. But this is how the BOAT headphones look like. Let me open that up. Look how cool it is. It looks like there are antennas. Like it looks like bugs' antennas.